You know, it's been illegal in Britain to use a dog and a cart on public roads since the 19th century, which makes this little thing here pretty unusual to see in auction or anywhere else. It's a 19th, early 20th century dog cart designed, as the name suggests, to be pulled by a dog. Now, this wasn't as unusual as you think in times gone by, because dog carts were used by traders like bakers to deliver bread and milk merchants to deliver milk, especially in towns and cities. However, in London, in the early part of the 19th century, dog carts were causing all sorts of problems on the streets of London, knocking pedestrians down and generally causing complete havoc. They were such a nuisance that in 1840 a law was passed prohibiting the use of dog carts in London. They were still used, of course, for recreational purposes, and it wouldn't have been unusual in the 19th century to see a child sat in a dog cart with their pet dog pulling them happily through the park. Something I doubt you'd see today, but this is one of those types of dog carts designed for a child to have fun with their pet. But how much is it worth? Well, AFS Auctions in Taunton, let's find out.
Time for it. 50 for the dog cart. 50 bid, thank you. 50, I've got 50 and 5 now. £50, little kiddies cart, look, at £50. Not fun. Anybody got any grandchildren? No. £50, 55, thank you. 60, 65, 70, 75, 75, 75. We're up to 75. Yeah, 75. 75. Any further bits? Well done. 75.